Oh.
Ew.
With all the major components of the cage fitted up and coped nicely to one another, it was time to start replacing vice grips with welds.
That doesn't fit anymore.
With the main hoop, A-pillars, windshield bar, and sill bars welded in place, the core of the cage is nearly complete. The last piece that's required is the second main hoop diagonal. This feature is challenging because it's in two separate pieces, and those need to agree on all the dimensions established by the first diagonal and by the sill bars. Luckily, we've had some practice with coping tubes by this point.
Our rear diagonal reinforcements are cut and coped, and we're pretty happy with where they sit. We again tested our gaps with a TIG wire, which is 1/16 of an inch, and all the gaps are fine, so we'll be ready to weld them in place and get that sill bar here on the driver's side, and we will be done with the cage at that point. Can't wait.
I don't want all this crap sealed up when I finally weld it. Just takes a little bit of extra time to clean it up first. And the results are totally worth it. What do you think?
Well done.
And with that, the core of the roll cage is complete.